Okay guys, my name's Traveling Ted and I'm kind of, why not? I'm just going to do a little video of a very, very short journey from here to my wife's workplace. And yeah, just, I don't know. Well, here we go. First thing already. It's just really to see my comments, okay? That's all. Okay, right, so here we go. Alright, okay. So we have 4 lanes of traffic here. I need to get over to the other lane. So what I'm doing is indicating slowly left, looking in my rear view mirror the whole time, and just take it off for a little bit because there's a couple of businesses here on the left. So now I turn left again. Why is the security guard there? Okay. Right, okay. So here we go. So I just had another day at work, and I think I'm realizing on this phone that it shakes a lot. Okay, it shakes a lot. So I don't know if this video is going to be any good or not. So we'll see. I'll look at it in a few minutes. So we got, oh sorry, oh gosh. Right, indicate left. And kind of flash people to move out of the way because I'm indicating left. And here we go. Right. Every time the camera shakes, it's because of a bump. There's nothing much I can do about that. Right. Okay, want to indicate right. Got a bike in front of me. Going past a very posh coffee shop there, very exclusive. It's like for millionaires. I went in there once. Like the price of a coffee there is like 400% more than your average coffee shop, and it's still the same. Okay. So the trick is here to actually, here in Vietnam, you flash your lights. You flash your lights not to let people go or to be polite. You flash your lights to say, move out the way, I'm coming through, don't stop for me. So I'm, well, geez, that bike went quick. So I'm flashing my lights there. Wow. So you can see all the time I am constantly, I know as a driver you have to look around, of course you do, but here with hundreds of bikes around you the whole time, it is just non-stop. Alright, so I'm just going to move this a little bit because I think it's better maybe there, because that way you can probably see at the back. Let's just see. Right, very nice. Right, here the bike's coming across. So again, I'm flashing like I'm coming through, don't go across me. Because the thing here in Vietnam is that the people on the bikes, they will go across you. I mean, it's like they will just go straight across you and not care whatsoever. And this is where, look, we have bikes here on the wrong side of the road, and I've got nowhere to go. There's like a little barrier down the middle of the road, and some motorbikes from the other side just go on the wrong side of it, which means that your space gets less. So we have another junction here, and as soon as I get past the junction, I want to turn right on another road. So what happens is that you'll see me almost not look ahead, just look in my rear view mirror the whole time and beep. So just get past the junction, indicate right, look in my rear view mirror, beep, come on, let me go, let me go, let me go! This is a part that I really don't understand. There are some suicidal motorbike riders out there, and I don't get it, right? If you hit me, you're probably gonna die. I don't understand. And they always want to get through the little tiny gap. Right, so here we have a tiny bend on the road, and the bikes just come on the wrong side. Oh, he would have to park there, wouldn't he? Okay, not too bad. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Please hurry up, miss. Please hurry up. You know, it's strange, you know, the part where I'm not talking is usually the part where it's just peaceful, easy, relaxing, no problem at all. Alright, here we are. I just park up for a minute and wait for Mrs. Wife. Close the mirrors, turn off the engine, and there you go. So I hope you enjoyed that, and yeah, just a few minutes of the craziness here in Vietnam. Alright,